For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us, just check the description. Decentralized and open source, Ethereum is a blockchain that supports savvy contracts. The stage's local coin is called Ether. As far as market capitalization, Ether is the main digital money after Bitcoin. Developer Vitalik Buterin made Ethereum in 2013. Gavin Wood, Charles Hoskinson, Anthony Di Iorio, and Joseph Lubin were extra Ethereum originators. Crowdfunding for improvement work began in 2014, and the organization sent off on July 30, 2015. Anybody can distribute long-lasting and unchangeable decentralized applications on Ethereum, permitting clients to speak with them. Applications for decentralized finance (DeFi) offer many monetary administrations without the requirement for regular monetary delegates like banks, financiers, or trades, for example, empowering digital currency proprietors to get or loan cash against their possessions out for revenue. NFTs are explicit tokens that demonstrate responsibility for related resource or honor and are recognized by a few foundations. They are moreover conceivable to create and trade utilizing Ethereum. Moreover, a few other digital currencies have utilized the Ethereum blockchain as a stage for beginning coin contributions and utilize the ERC20 symbolic norm. On the off chance that you are hoping to put resources into Ethereum, this guide can help. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a blockchain-based decentralized worldwide programming stage at its heart. It is known for Ether, frequently known as ETH, its local digital currency. Anybody can utilize Ethereum to fabricate any solid advanced innovation they can envision. A token is incorporated into it explicitly for utilization on the blockchain network, however clients may likewise utilize it to pay for undertakings done on the blockchain. Adaptable, programmable, secure, and decentralized are highlights of Ethereum. Accordingly, it is the blockchain of decision for organizations and designers who are building innovation on top of it to change a few areas and how we carry on with our day-to-day routines. Ethereum, ETH, fundamental analysis. It's memorable's fundamental that most digital forms of money are projects as opposed to associations, rather than the securities exchange. Thus, by finishing a reasonable crucial investigation and taking into account all the data that is right now open about the undertaking, you might decide if a digital currency is beneficial or not. The objective of key investigation is to discover a resource's characteristic worth. For example, you might assess whether a digital money is exaggerated or underestimated by thinking about a couple of inward and outside factors. Ether is significant as a result of a few elements. In any case, its value is vital for taking care of the expenses of all conventions based on Ethereum. For example, the decentralized money (DeFi) convention classes of credits, decentralized trades, DEXs, subordinates, resources, and installments require Ether expenses. Moreover, the biological system of Ethereum DeFi is dynamic and various, as found in the pictures beneath. Second, Ether is the safe resource for decentralized finance (DeFi) in light of the fact that it is used as security in the decentralized money (DeFi) conventions. For example, getting or loaning Ether to build a yield due to marking and yield cultivating is one use case. The agreement expresses that 5% of each and every Ether will be held in marking and 5% will be secured in DeFi. Third, since clients might utilize this computerized cash to pay for items and administrations on the Ethereum blockchain, the second era of blockchains, Ether, can be viewed as another kind of cash. For example, non-fungible tokens, NFT, for example, crypto collectibles, think about things in the gaming area or advanced workmanship collectibles, are bought utilizing Ether. Ethereum, ETH, price prediction 2022. Ethereum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year, ETH. The ETH cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $2,781.97. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no extensive drops are normal. averaging $2,596.51 in cost is very aggressive, however it is possible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. ETH is supposed to have a base worth of $2,225.58. Ethereum, ETH, price prediction 2023. In 2023, Ethereum ETH cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ETH will before long outperform $4,636.62. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the ETH's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ETH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $3,709.29 and a typical exchanging cost of $4,080.22. Ethereum, ETH, price prediction 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $6,491.26 and ETH might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ETH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $5,934.87 and a low of $5,563.94 in 2024. Ethereum, ETH, price prediction 2025. Assuming that Ethereum effectively helps market feeling among digital currency aficionados, the ETH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ETH will be green in 2025. The ETH is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $8,345.91, with a base cost of $7,418.59 and a typical cost of $7,789.52. Ethereum, ETH, price prediction 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the ETH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $9,644.16 by 2026, with a base cost of $9,273.23 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ETH has a most extreme value worth of $10,200.56. Ethereum, ETH, price prediction 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are